The Swedish Yacht Arkona-460 Idalina, sailing under the Swedish flag, sank in the vast waters of the Pacific Ocean. The incident occurred on Monday when the steering mechanism, the vessel's most crucial component, malfunctioned, causing a significant breach in the hull. This breach led to a rapid influx of water, necessitating the evacuation of the Swedish crew from the yacht. Fortunately, all crew members are safe, partly due to the swift intervention of the nearby Swedish sailing yacht Pacific Wind, which came to their rescue. Arkona Yachts, the manufacturer of Idalina, emphasized the paramount importance of safety and pledged to conduct a thorough investigation into this serious incident.
Ja, det... Oj, vad hon försvann. Borta.